So hello and welcome guys to another trade recap of GBPUSD. This trade right over here with 263 plus pips. So yeah, let's get into the charts now. So in the higher time frame, you can see that price is clearly on a downtrend. Price is creating higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So we are looking for sales at this point. So let me zoom in now. So this is our point of interest, like over here, this zone right over here. So at first we identified this order block. We didn't actually identify it. So we saw this is an order block. No, when we saw that this one getting rejected from here, this one is getting rejected from here, we were confirmed that this could be identified as an order block zone. So it was. We identified a few more confluences to go short. Like the overall market was on a very bearish trend, to be honest, and we just needed to figure out where should we put our SL. So we identified the perfect SL point to like above this area. So let me I'll come to it later. So we also identified this equal low where retail buyers tend to keep their SL under these weeks where price came upwards, like price got rejected multiple times. Like this happened, right? 1 2 3 4, like almost 5 times price got generally rejected from this zone. So retail traders thought, oh, price is getting rejected from here, so I should put my SL over right around here. So this S means indicates that there is liquidity, and market will 9 out of 10 times will move towards where it will hurt the most amount of people, and it did, as you can see here. So we had this amazing liquidity zone, price like consolidated or above this zone for 4 to 5 days. Let me just quickly say it. 1 2 6, oh look, sorry, the price consolidated here for 16 days. 16 days, the amount of liquidity you can imagine. Price consolidated here for 16 days, so a lot of liquidity was like gathered here. So we thought that this might be a very strong liquidity zone, and price should and definitely come here. So we identified this equal low also, like liquidity zone, and we had our final confirmation to go short after we saw this like lower low and lower high. Then it didn't break the high. It showed us that internal break of structure happened in lower time frame. I'm not going to go down lower time frame because I want to wrap this up quickly. So as you can see, we had a break of structure in the lower time frame right over here, and we were pretty much sure that price is gonna go down at this point, but we still waited for a day, I guess. Then we saw this imbalance that needed to be filled. We saw this imbalance being created, and price actually filled it, almost filled it, but it didn't quite actually filled it. So yeah, when price got rejected from here, we were sure that price is not going to fill this imbalance. Remember, imbalance is just an extra confluence. We don't always rely on imbalances to be filled, or we don't like actually set our TP or SL depending on imbalances. So imbalance is just an extra way of comforting your trade psychology or whatever you have. So we were when price got rejected, this was a massive rejection, guys. So if you can see, price almost came down like 20 pips, like at the last moment, like when the 4-hour candle was closing, then price came down, shot immediately down. So we were pretty much sure. So Right after that, this candle formed, this one. So let me show you guys. This candle happened, right? So we were pretty much sure that price is not going to go up or above this. So yeah, we nonchalantly we just hopped on this trade, and we closed most of our position right around here. This was the result of, I guess, war, the Ukraine-Russia war. So this was a huge move downwards, and price got shot up. So we closed most of our position here because we saw some weird price action. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys got this trade. VIP members, congratulations if you took this trade. And yeah, this is it. This is GBPUSD recap, which is currently running with almost 200 plus pips, and we closed most of our position with 263 plus pips. So this is what you can gain on a daily basis with MegaFX VIP. You can imagine what kind of opportunity you are missing when you are not joining our VIP channel. Because if you are a trader and you are not joining MegaFX VIP, you are literally missing on a huge opportunity, because joining our VIP channel is absolutely free. You just have to like trade with Moneta Markets, which is a partner broker and which offers actually very low amount of spread. And I can bet that most of you use like brokers that has generally 3, 4 or 5 pips spread. So Moneta Markets is actually pretty great for retail traders like us. So yeah, if you want to hop in on trade, if you are like looking for a new broker, I suggest you trade with Moneta Markets, and you will find detailed instruction in our channels. You can contact with our support agents. They will guide you through the whole process. You join with our link and you get to access MegaFX and 𝗦𝐼𝐶 both. Actually, you can get access to both of our VIP channels for literally no money. We receive no direct payment from you. So yeah, you guys can think about it, or you guys can enjoy our free signals also. We are doing pretty good with our free signals. So yeah, thank you for hanging out with us. Thank you for staying tuned with MegaFX, and hopefully see you next week with some more amazing trades. This is Adam signing out.